It's a 2018 GMC Yukon. Kids, cargo, groups, gear. You can carry it all with this Yukon. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, electronic shift on the fly, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Edmunds.com finds it boasts substantially more towing capability than crossovers while also delivering a higher degree of burliness and solidity. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.